We at SICO understand how important efficiency is when it comes to operating your facility. We know that time, expense, and labor are among the key factors you need to control to run a successful venue. We've created the Roll and Set Performance Stage System to give you the quality stage features you need: speed, simplicity, and dependability. Folded roll and set stage units are designed to easily roll, but if the need arises, such as when you need to lift them over an obstacle, they are designed to accommodate a forklift. SICO's exclusive universal pin connectors are designed to save your crew time and effort during setup. They remain connected to the roll and set frames, so they will never be misplaced. The conveniently located support arm is used to take any weight off the pin connector, and a spring-loaded pin is disengaged. The universal pin connector is simply rotated to accommodate two-way, three-way, or four-way bridging situations without removing any decks. The universal pin connectors can quickly be rotated under the decks, out of the way of your stage skirting. SICO's Venue Maker decks fit over flexible pin connectors. The holes in the decks go all the way through, giving a visual aid to their installation over the flexible pin connectors. The pins are flexible, which makes the decks easier to install. Tightening the connectors with the Allen wrench expands the rubber gasket and locks the decks, providing a very quiet assembly and eliminating deck bounce. Versatile SICO decks are reversible, with the option of carpet on one side and tough deck on the other, or with tough deck on both sides. Now it is a simple matter to change the decks to carpet or to tough deck, whatever surface an event calls for.
SICO's exclusive gas spring lift assist takes the muscle out of setting stages.
The stage may be adjusted to any height by anyone without lifting or use of a forklift. SICO has eliminated much of the heavy work generally associated with setting up big performance stages. Your crews will not have to lift dozens of heavy decks from storage pallets onto the stage frames. This will save wear and tear on your equipment and on your crew. While the normal performance height for a stage is generally 5 feet, the standard roll and set is capable of being raised to 6 feet if needed. All necessary parts come attached to the frame. There are no small loose parts to become lost. Operational parts are also color-coded in bright yellow. Once a stage is adjusted to the height desired, the bridging bars are used to connect the stage units together. The locking pins secure the bridging bar between units. The piggyback decks are then slid into their bridging positions. This feature alone will save your crew from literally tons of lifting during a stage setup. Note that the decks bridge in all 4 directions from the mobile master unit. Once your stage is set into place, the clear open space under the decks allows easy movement under the stage, or storage of equipment if local codes permit it. There is also an open walkway in the opposite direction that allows easy stringing of cables without legs or braces being in the way. Foot pedals on each roll and set stage unit allow the unit to be lowered off of its casters and onto its adjustable glide. Stepping down again raises the stage back onto its casters. To adjust a stage for height, yellow handles on the legs are first turned 90 degrees to unlock and then pulled out to release the locator pin. This double movement allows for quick visual inspection at any time to know whether the locator pins are locked or unlocked.
Once unlocked, a release paddle is depressed and the stage is raised or lowered quickly and easily without any lifting.
To fold the stage, a safety lock is raised at the center of the stage, and a gentle pull of the big yellow handle starts the folding of the stage. The center safety lock automatically drops into place when the stage is unfolded for use. Watch how fast this crew of just 4 set a 40-foot by 64-foot stage. The mobile units are rolled into the area where the stage will be set, folded open, and adjusted to the height selected. Once all the master frames are in the area, the units are connected by their bridging arms. Then bridge decks are easily slid into place between the frames. Now that the frames are connected in one direction with the bridging arms, they may be connected in the other direction by just sliding decks into place. Here is the last deck going into place. Note how short a time it took a crew of 4 to set this 40-foot by 64-foot stage. Here are some of the unique benefits and convenience features that make the SICO Roll and Set stage so easy to work with. When the road manager of a concert group arrives and wants the completed stage moved to a new position, it's a simple task with the Roll and Set system. Just raise an entire section of the stage onto its casters and roll it to the new position desired. For a professional presentation, SICO offers the following accessories: drapes, guardrails, chair stops, ramps for the disabled, steps, and crowd control barriers. All Roll and Set stage decks come with Velcro edges. To add skirting to a stage, simply attach the SICO drapes with their own Velcro on the back side to the decks. Guardrails are a must-have for every stage setup. SICOs are easy to attach. Just turn the big yellow handles to lock them into place. SICO's articulated steps adjust to the height you've selected for your stage. The steps also adjust to stay parallel to the floor. Locking mechanisms fit over the stage decks and are locked into place. Here are several key points for you to consider about SICO stages. Number 1, the wheel. It makes for fast and easy setup of your stage. Number 2, Roll and Set units are self-contained. They not only carry their own 2 4-foot by 8-foot decks, they also piggyback an additional 2 4-foot by 8-foot decks for bridging between units. Number 3, SICO's universal pin connectors save time and labor. They change quickly without the need to remove any decks. No more puzzles.
Number 4, the gas spring lift assist allows for quick and easy adjustment for height. No tools necessary.
Number 5, SICO Venue Maker decks lock into place quickly and securely, providing a quiet assembly even during active use. If the top performers in the country will be on your stage, make your performance stage a top performer with SICO.